स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज हम लोगों के साथ स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में। स्टॉक मार्केट टुडे ट्रेड गाइड फॉर निफ्टी 50 गोल्ड सिल्वर रेट्स USD vs NR to India EU FTA each stock to buy or sell. Stock market today experts have recommended 8 stock to buy or sell. On Wednesday, Axis Bank, APL Apollo, ICICI Bank, NTPC, PDL, Waaree Energies, IRCON International and MTAR Technologies. Gold silver rates today make silver rates today surge to a fresh all-time high of 3,64,821 kg, whereas the mixed gold rate today surged to new high of 1,59,820 per 10 gram. Stock market today. The Indian stock market witnessed a volatile session on Tuesday after a roller coaster activity. The Nifty 50 index ended 127 points higher, while the Sensex was up by 320 points among sector. The metal index was the top gainer, rallying 3.35%, whereas the media index lost the most, ceding over 1%. Technically, after an early morning intraday dip, the Indian stock market found support near 24,900 by 81,000 and bounced back sharply from the day's low. The market rallied by over 300 to 950 points. On daily chart, the index has formed a long bullish candle, and intraday chart it has the promising reversal patterns, which is largely positive. Silver rates today. Speaking on the outlook of the silver and gold rate today, Kenneth Senwala, AVP Commodity Research, Kotak Security says COMEX silver price briefly spiked and above $117 OG on Monday before returning sharply to the $102 OG, and we currently trading around $108 OG. Makes silver rate today surged to fresh all-time high of 3,64,121 kg, tracking sharp move in the global market. Silver remains highly volatile and already up 50% so far in the January, following gains of about 170% in 2025, supported by tight physical supplies as reflected in elevated Shanghai premiums over COMEX price.